What's up, everyone? It's me, your Solichi John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries Mega Love Shoutout 18s. We are back for SB19 reaction, and this is for their newest music video of Lawless. Yes, this is their newest single as well after their historical performance in Lollapalooza. So I received this request dahil nag-release nga sila after nung performance nila sa Lollapalooza, guys. And of course, we are so excited to check this out. New music from SB19. But before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ano kayang concept nito? Di ba, Visa, tapos ngayon naman Lawless. Aba, medyo may sinasabi ang mga title ng kanta ngayon, ng SB19. Ay, kulay pink yung hair ni Josh. Pogi ni Stel. Kulay pink nga, no, guys? Or blonde na blonde. Ano ba, color grading lang ba ito? Ay, shala ng production. Ay, si Pablo naka-cowboy hat. Oh. Ang ganda ng beat. May pagka-western vibe, no? Whoa. Ang cute. Oh my God. Grabe. Oh my God. First of all, napansin ko yung beat, parang western pop yung beat niya. And of course, tignan nyo naman, mahila si Stel sa cellphone, guys. Sana all cellphone. And love that nails. Balikan nga natin yun. Sino yung naka-boxers na pink? Kinakamay yung cake. Wala, ang pogi ni Josh. May bagay kay Josh yung color ng buhok na yan. Wow. Oh my God, ang ganda ng outfit ni Justin. Very like old money vibe na cute bebe boy. Cute, balikan natin. Oh my God, Ken. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that is so cool. Oh my God, astig. I love the visuals, the outfit. Look at this outfit, guys. Old money, pero looking expensive. Love it. Where's Ken? Ayun. Hey. Wow. Ganda ng visuals. Lawless. God, ang ganda, guys. I love alam niyo yung pang-international talaga yung caliber ng SB19. Pogi ni Stel. May Tagalog din. Pogi ni Josh. Grabe yung visuals. Oh my God, hinalikan tayo ni Josh, guys. Grabe yung vocals ni Pablo. Pogi. Oh my God, Stel. This is you. Oy, grabe, naka-pink nails si Stel. Whoa. Whoa. Ganda ng visuals, guys. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda ng production and the execution of the music video. Plus, the song itself, the beat and the vocals is giving. Hey! I will add this on my playlist now. Pogi ni Josh. Wow. mo vocals ang Justin. Grabe, may mga freckles pa sila sa makeup, no? Go, Steph. Siyempre, bibigyan tayo ni Steph ng ano. Hey! That's what I'm saying, guys. Of course, Stell will give that vocal flair and high notes. Grabe, love that climax. Grabe, love it! Yung sala ng may tandang naman, no? Ganda ng production, promise. Eh. Ang cute, no? How they change yung mga ano. They made it wholesome yung mga weapon. Saka yung Yossi naging bubbles, 'di ba? Tapos yung golf, yung dulo niya bear, 'di ba? Yung baril naging strawberry. Ganon ang visuals. Chares. Talino nang nag-conceptualize. Hey. Sa dulo sila nag-dance. Walang masyadong dance yung kanina, guys. Puro full production. Eh. Wow, ganda. Nabitin lang ako sa dance, but it's so good. There you have it, guys. That is SB19's newest music video, Lawless. Lawless? Grabe, I love the beat of the song. It's a fresh, parang fresh vibe of P-pop sound ito, guys, from the Philippines. Parang western pop style siya, and then it's a mix of English and Filipino, so I love it. I love the visuals, the vocal, the production. Medyo nabitin lang ako sa sayaw-sayaw, guys, pero syempre may dance video to for sure, kasi ito, music video, pinakita lang yung ganda ng production. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng execution ng music video. I love the concept. And I love the visuals talaga, promise. And of course, grabe naman talaga ang outfitan ng ating boys for today's video, di ba? Nakita niyo naman how expensively looking and talaga naman pinaghirapan ng styling at visuals. At medyo sobrang standout si Josh Shaken for his pink hair. Bagay sa kanya, guys, no? Pero syempre, style pa rin tayo. But of course, Mahalima forever, and sobrang nag-enjoy ako, guys. What can you say about this new music video of SB19? You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Relation Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.